Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is your favorite tech savvy, okay, Beautiful NS. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you some amazing features rolled out by Canva. Okay, so if you're someone who uses Canva for business, for personal purpose, or for branding, this video is going to show you these amazing tools that Canva just released. So guys, if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video so that YouTube will get to show to more persons. Also click on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. So guys, let's hop in to see what Canva has for us. So at this moment, I want to believe you already have an account with Canva and you've created maybe one or two designs, just trying to find your way around the whole platform. Okay, so let's head over and see what Canva has rolled out this season for us. Okay, so the first on our list is how to convert English to any other language of your choice. Okay, so let me just import one of these designs you're seeing here and we'll quickly change it to a different language entirely. All right, so you can see this particular design you're seeing here now. I'm just going to switch it to a different language entirely. And how do I do that? I'm just going to click on the particular text I would love to change to a different language. Click on it, and then I'm going to scroll to apps. Scroll to app, just in case you can't find yours here. Like you can see my here now, all you need to do is to go to these apps you're seeing here. Click on these apps. Okay, so I already see translate, so you can see here all you need to do is to just search for translate and see. Okay, if it's not coming up, I'm just going to click here and access mine. So automatically it's going to detect the language this particular text is in, and then to enable me to translate to whatever language I want to translate it to. So I'm just going to search here and see. You can see Hausa. So if you're someone who is you're based in Nigeria and you want to present your works in Hausa, you can see it here. If you want to present it in Igbo, you can see it here. If you want to present it in Yoruba, I'm very sure we'll also have it here. So any language of your choice, you will be able to translate from English to any language if you want to, even if it is in Russian, Portuguese, Sindhi, and the rest of them, Turkish, Ukrainian, just so on and so forth. You can do that from here. So let's say I want to change this to Yoruba, and I'm going to select apply to page 1. Okay, so I'm going to click on translate and just allow it to finish translating the whole stuff to Yoruba. So if you scroll or zoom in, you are going to see now that everything has changed to Yoruba, and this is how it works. All right, so this is one of the amazing features that Canva recently released to us. Now the second on my list is what is going to show you Google Map locations on your design. So if you're making any design on Canva and probably you want to add a Google Map location to it, how do you do that? All you need to do is to come here, go back to this particular apps you're seeing here, and you're going to look for maps. Okay, so just scroll and you're going to see Google Maps. So click on Google Maps and search for a particular location. Okay, so let me say I'm going to search for Choba, Port Harcourt, Nigeria, and let's see if it's going to bring out anything for us. So you can see this is Choba area. This is Choba area. You can see Choba Street, and all I need to do is to just click on it and it will be available here on my work. Okay, so you can see right here now. So this is my map. So assuming I have a particular illustration I want to make regarding to map, I just select this and it's here ASAP for me. So you can see how easy it is. Before now, all you need to get this particular map is for you to go on your browser, search for a particular map, screenshot it, and then upload it here. But Canva has made it very easy for you. You don't need to do any of that. All you need is to just come here using this Google Map feature that they made available here. All right, isn't that amazing? It's amazing. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Like this video and also click on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. So the first one we talked about was on how we can change to a different language entirely, and the second one is how to get Google Map on our jobs. All right, that's the third thing I'm going to talk about here, is how you can get characters for your design. So let's assume that you're making a particular post and you want to add some characters like images of a cartoon image. Okay, so how do you do that? All you need to do is to come here to these apps again, and then you're going to search for character. Just scroll, you see character builder, so click on character and you will be able to decide the kind of character you want. All you need to do is to just select one of these characters you're seeing here. Just select one for a start. You can just click on see all to see all the characters that they've made available for us. So I can say I want to use this one. All right, so the next thing I want to do is to come here, click backwards, and you will be able to select the face. Is the person angry? Is he or she sad, crying, or trying to say something? You see, all you need to do is to just select any one of your choice, decide the dress the person is wearing, and you can change it to any one of your choice. Is the person running? You can see here. Let me just zoom out so you see what I'm working on. So you can see the character I'm trying to design, and I can change the color of the person. You can see right here, I can change the color, so on and so forth, just like that. So it all depends on you. I can as well see change the person's hair to something else entirely. So it's all your choice to make. So this is how you get characters for your jobs. All right, you can decide the person is sitting down, so you can see various options. It's so amazing. I really love this feature. I love this feature so much. So you can see, so if you're someone who is trying to create characters for children, books that you sell on Amazon KDP, this video is going to help you a lot, a whole lot. All right, so this is it. So the next thing I want to show you guys is how you can actually create barcode, QR codes that link to maybe your WhatsApp. Whenever they scan that code, it takes them somewhere else. All right, I'm going to show you how to do that. So for example, you're going to come back to these apps again, and you're going to look for QR codes. Okay, just click on QR codes, and then you want to decide where do you want this QR code to take them to. So for example, I want to take them to my store. Okay, so seller.co/m, or let's say my website actually. So this QR code, I want to take them to my website, and I can customize it to change the background color. I want it to be something like red. You can see now the other background. I can decide I don't want to be red, I want it to be something like green. Okay, and the margin, I can decide how the margin is going to look like, and so on and so forth. Okay, so when I've done that, all I just need to do is to click on generate QR code and then allow it to generate. Okay, so you can see it right here. So if anybody scans this QR code, it should take you to my personal website. Okay, so that's how you generate this particular QR code. Now the next thing on my list is text to image. So I personally love this particular feature on Canva because it will help you to generate images if you need any without going to your browser to search for a particular image. All right, so if I come here to my app and I'm going to see text to image here, all I need to do is to use it. Just click on it, and then I'm going to try. So all you need to do is to put the content, just type something, and then Canva is going to generate the images that you need for that particular design. Okay, so let's say for example I need an image of Titanic. So let's see if Canva will be able to generate images from the movie called Titanic that was acted some time ago. Okay, so you can see this is the image of that particular boat during that Titanic period. Okay, so you can see, just download, click on it, and you can see that the image is here already. Okay, so if I also want to try something else, let's say I need a mermaid image. So let's see if it's going to give us mermaid images. So whatever it is you have in your head, just ask Canva text to image, and they will be able to generate few ones for you. So you can see right here, they just generated these particular images for us. All right, so this is how you can use Canva text to image feature. It's really amazing. So let's count how many I have showed you so far. There are a lot of them. There are so many of them. All you need to do is to just go through these particular apps and check one after the other. So I've been able to show you how you can get character one, show you Google images. I've shown you that translates to different languages entirely. That's 3. I've shown you how to use text to image. That's 4. And I've also shown you what else again? Okay, that's 4. So let's go back to apps and see what else I can show you how to use here. Okay, so the next thing is how to add videos to your designs. Okay, let's say for example you want to add a YouTube video, so just click on add new image, a new page I mean to say, and you see YouTube here. Just click on YouTube, and I'm going to search for a particular, let me search for my YouTube channel. Okay, let's see, tech savvy. Okay, let's see. Okay, so you can see these are contents from my own YouTube channel. So if I want these videos to be showing on my page, all I need to do is to just click on the one I want to be showing there, and you will see it's going to appear here almost immediately. All right, so can you see now? So this is how you add. Now the next thing I want to show you is come back to your apps. I'm going to show you how to add GIFs to your designs, like those funny characters you see on your WhatsApp, on Facebook, and on Twitter. Okay, so just come here, click on GIF, and you're going to see a lot of funny GIFs. All right, so for example, you see these ones here, and let's say I want to use this. Okay, so I just going to go back and add a new page. All right, add a new page, and I'm going to say put this. Okay, so remember those kind of memes they post on Twitter a lot of times? This is how they get them. All right, so it's really easy, very easy now to use. So that's how you get this. So I think I've touched about 6 of them. So watch out for my next video where I'll show you how to continually use some of these features, how you can harness them to grow your business personally or as a brand. All right, see you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. All right, bye.